God did not withdraw the punishment. Then number 4, the vision that we never talked about. Can we first read Amos chapter 8 verse 1 to 3? Thank you. So the basket of summer fruits. So here Amos was shown a basket of ripe summer fruits. And this was during the end of what? Harvest. What this meant is that the Israelites were so sinful that God was fed up. Therefore, the time was ripe for them to what? To receive their punishment. Now, punishment was just inevitable. They will be punished because they had broken the covenant. They had accumulated so many sins that God could not bear. So the time was ripe for them to be punished. You have to remember, in this vision, this was the first vision that Amos was silent. Here I told you he did not plead, but here the Bible says he was silent. So they were going to receive this punishment.